Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Let me discuss about the online food ordering system in Django. Abstract. Moving on this food ordering system project. In this project, Django focus mainly on dealing with managing food orders. Also, the system display all the available food menus on cart. In addition, the system allows managing food items. This project is divided into two categories: user panel and admin panel. In an overview of this web application, user can simply register and start using. Here the system display all the available food menus. When the user can add them to the cart, the user has to select amongst the available food choices. Each section contains its own price. After all, the user can check his or her cart, remove unwanted order too, and finally the user can check out. After checkout, the user can view all the food orders under the order sections. Here the system mark deliver order using green and remaining with red. Move on to the flow diagram. Let me start that. Food ordering system. There is an user module and admin module. In admin module, the admin can log in the dashboard, add the items, manage the order, payment details, and manage the user, and update the product, and delete the product, delete the user, and update the user. Move on to the user panel. In user panel, first of all, the user registered and then log in their dashboard. So the items, add the items and view the cart, place the order, and move on to the checkout page and payment page and logout. Let's move on to the output page for online food ordering system. This is the home page, and sign in the account. First of all, register here. Enter your name and password and confirm password. Register it. Register it and see the home page on order pizza on order it. So this is the topping and add to cart. So given a allot message to add the cart and add other some menus. Move on to the pasta. I given some pasta, so I add to cart. View the cart. This is my cart, and move on to the checkout page. So order successfully placed. So view the orders. And log out. Our location, so host, contact us, and move on to the menu page. And then after log out. So move on to the admin page. This is the admin username and enter admin password. Log on it. This is the admin panel. Add the group, add the user, and order the category: list of dinner platelets, list of pasta, list of pizza toppings, and regular pizza salads, and add it and change and update also. So add the groups. Let's move on to the category. There is a 5 category. I added it. So added some other categories also and added. And choose on file and select some pick. And save it and enter in add category. See the subcategory, select the regular pizza, change additions or delete the items, add the list of pizzas, and save user cards. and see the cards and username and history. User order list also. This is the order list, and delete the user order list, and all the categories also deleted and updated. Thank you.